Look at the horsey.
Apple.
Okay, here you go. Here, horsey. Want an apple? Want an apple?
I want to do it.
Wow, he took a big bite out of the apple.
Nice horsey.
It's a boy.
I don't know.
Why do you think it's a boy, Natalie?
Can you touch him? Say nice horsey. Hey guys, are you gonna touch a horsey?
Want to go pet the horsey? Look at this pretty brown one.
I want to do two.
Hey. Can you pet it? Okay. Nice horsey.
I need to do two, Mommy.
Okay, just a minute, sweetie pie. Look at how pretty the horsey is. What? You want to ride the horsey? I don't think we can ride.
Put it in your hand. Here you go.
Oh. Here comes another horsey over here. Have they fed horses before? No. Thank you, he says. Thank you. Here comes another one, Charlie. Maybe he'll eat yours. Uh-oh. He dropped it. Here you go. Here you go. Uh-oh.
Okay, try again. Here we go. Yeah, let's do it up here. Watch your thumb.